This is a reenactment of what happened yesterday. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that's a woodpecker. So I heard a woodpecker, and I came outside my house and I looked around. And you can see there's still snow on the ground. And then I heard ting, ting, ting. And it was the woodpecker, and it was up on the satellite dish, banging away at it. In fact, it's there now. Do you hear it? Do you see it? Damn, it's there now. Well, yesterday it flew right at my head when I was doing this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right at the bottom of the satellite dish. So anyway, I ducked. It flew right at my head. Like, why are you doing that, you stupid woodpecker? Anyway, that's it.